Hi, if you're new here, my name's Holly, and my husband and I recently inherited my great-grandpa's farm, and with that we got this beautiful Morton building, but it came with a ton of tractors and just random stuff. So today my dad and I tried cleaning it out. There was these two huge wooden wagons in the back, so we got permission from my grandpa to move them outside. So my dad got the John Deere running and pulled the one out, and then when he backed the John Deere up to get the other one out, the John Deere shut off and it would not turn back on. We tried charging it with a battery, it would not go. And literally all these other tractors in here basically do not work. Only one, which is a Case tractor. So then we proceeded to back that one up, hook it to the green one, and hook the wagon to the green one. So we were literally pulling 3 at a time. I was driving the Case tractor while my dad was in the green tractor trying to get it started by popping the clutch or whatever, but it didn't work. But we did get both the wagons out, which is good. That's what we were wanting to do. We have 3 goats outside right now, but when winter comes, we're gonna have to put them in here, so we're trying to clear space. And we put the Case tractor back in and the Minneapolis, and this is how it's looking now.